Welcome to 1390 Calcutta Drive in Gulf Breeze, Florida. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is located in the community of Tiger Point, and it resides less than half a mile away from the Tiger Point golf course. We do have golf cart legal streets as well, so just a short drive there. We are also a half a mile from Publix, Wal-Mart, Lowes, and other shopping and dining options. 2 miles to the local Oriole Beach boat ramp as well, and just 8 miles to beautiful Pensacola Beach. So such a wonderful location on this house. We do have a new roof as well as aluminum hurricane coverings. So one special feature about this house is it has an in-law suite with a separate entrance. So if you're in need of that, you can definitely look at this house as an option or as an Airbnb as well. So coming into the foyer, we have our formal dining on our left-hand side, which has access to the kitchen. And I just love how they've utilized this space here in the front of the house. You could do a separate seating area here, but they have gone ahead and made it a home office space. All the popcorn has been removed, and they have put vinyl plank flooring new throughout the entire home with new Berber carpet in the bedrooms. We have vaulted ceilings giving for a nice spacious feel. Nice open floor plan here. We have 2 dining areas. As you can see, we have a breakfast area encompassed with bay windows. Lots of natural light in here. Very spacious kitchen with plenty of cabinet storage. We have a breakfast bar, double wall oven, electric cooktop, granite countertops with a mosaic tile backsplash, and a refrigerator with an ice and water dispenser. So just a really wonderful layout here. And into the living room, we have a wood-burning fireplace. But first, I want to take you back and show you the extra special feature of this house. On our right here, we have our side entry with a walkway directly from the driveway. Garage access and laundry with a pantry as well right here. And then into our in-law suite. Now, as you know, these are pretty unique to find, so we have lots of closet storage here. And it does have its own bathroom as well. Granite countertops with a walk-in shower. Always good to have that walk-in shower for the parents. And another thing I wanted to point out is if you wanted to rent this out as an Airbnb, you can add a door right here and utilize that for some additional income. All right. Another bonus feature is we have this awesome sunroom here with just encompassing windows, full of natural light and blinds as well. It is tiled in here. You can see they're utilizing this space to work out in. All right, I'll take you out in the backyard in 1 second, but first I want to continue on with the main part of the house. Again, nice spacious living room here. They've painted the brick on the fireplace. They have changed out all the hardware on all the doors as well. So on this side, we have our primary suite, lots of closet space, wonderful bay window with seating area with some additional storage underneath. And then the ensuite bathroom here. This bathroom does have a shower tub combo with granite countertops as well. All right. Just abutting the master suite, we do have our 3rd bathroom with a shower tub combo and a large granite countertop. 2 hall linen closets, and into our 2nd bedroom on this side of the house. This is bigger of the 2 additional bedrooms, but lots of closet space in all these rooms. And into our 3rd. All right. Now let me take you out and give you a peek at this backyard here. So lots of mature landscaping in here. Tiger Point is a well-established neighborhood if you're not familiar. So we have a paver open lanai, and here's our side walkway that leads directly to that additional living space that I showed you. Really a nice, wonderful side yard here. You can see we have mature oak trees and magnolia trees. Just gorgeously landscaped. Wonderful entertaining space out here, and this is a corner lot, so we do have a large parcel here. Nice swing with the Jasmine pergola, banana trees that do have bananas on them, as well as an outdoor fire pit. We've got some bananas growing over here. Just great for entertaining out here. You have that additional sunroom space as well. All right, I'll give you one last peek at the kitchen and main living area again. So much natural light in this room. I just love it. All right, guys. So please let us know if you have anybody who would like to see it. We would love to set up a private showing for you. Again, this is 1390 Calcutta Drive in Tiger Point in Gulf Breeze, Florida.